Welcome to your second asynchronous day for environmental science. Today you're going to be starting to collect information about your waste journal. Now the proficiency is all about being able to analyze data, and I'm really going to be looking for you at the end of this assignment, which will continue into next week, to start to look for patterns or identifying specific claims about your relationship with trash. Now, a couple things. I'm not going to be judging you on what things you throw away or what you recycle. It's not the goal of this assignment. There is some level of personal privacy, so if there are things you don't want me to know about that you're using or throwing out, that is a-okay. Just make sure you're doing legal things, or reasonably legal things. And then finally, act normal. I don't want you to suddenly try to be the world's greatest eco-warrior. That is not the goal of this assignment. I just noticed that I'm missing a D in crusading. And your grade doesn't depend on how well you compost. Now, you're going to be making a copy of this waste journal. It's pretty straightforward. Each time you throw something away, you're going to record the date and time. Really just the date. Don't worry about the time. I'll get rid of that right now. The item, whether you recycled it, yes or no, whether you threw it in the trash, whether you composted, why you threw it away, and was there a better option. You are going to do this for 3 days straight. You can start Friday going into Saturday and Sunday, but this is due on Wednesday of next week. Now, the other thing that you're going to do with this assignment is you're going to read some articles. There's 2 quick reads about global waste, and then there's a third article about how to try to live a zero waste lifestyle. You're going to be taking specific facts out of these 3 articles and putting them into this table, I, P, A, and T. So IPAT is this notion for environmental scientists to try and consider how a specific action taken by a specific person with a specific amount of consumption, with a specific amount of technology, really impacts the environment. So any fact that you see that's about general impact, you're going to put here. Any information related to populations or demographics or peoples or types of people, you're going to put here. Anything related to affluence or wealth or how often the action is taken or how much it costs, you'll put here. And any technology that makes throwing away or recycling better or worse off, you would put here. You have until Wednesday to complete this assignment, so please let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help, and I look forward to seeing you for your second and or third day of synchronous learning.